All right, hey, how's it going? Today we're going to use ChatGPT to figure out some Excel spreadsheet formulas because that's always a good time. All right, so I asked ChatGPT, I said, can you create Excel spreadsheet formulas? It said, yes, I can help. I said, I want all the numbers in column A to subtract the numbers in column B and put the difference in column C. So here's an example of what I got. So I've got 123 subscribers for my channel. I've got 5 new ones. I want to know the difference. So I would take, it looks like A1 minus B1, except I'm going to do A2 minus B2 because that's Control C that I'm hitting to copy. Uh, but I want those to be 2 because, as you see here, this is the first column. All right, so it's got the difference. So then I want that to go all the way down. So how do I do that? So click on this here. Press enter to apply. To apply this formula, drag the fill handle, small square, through the column to the required last row. Alright, so just drag this. And we're going to have 40 of these bad boys. Perfect. Look at that. Okay, so then what I wanted it to do is I want it to take this number plus this number and put it into this number. So I have my total subscribers there. So I said if I wanted to, the first column to subtract the second column, have that in the third column, but the sum of the first and second columns in the row below the first number. Okay, so as mentioned earlier, start by entering the formula, that. So I did that. All right, so then insert new row, yeah. So this would be Control C. Okay, so then I want this to equal, no, I want that to be actually I want that to be B2. Actually, A2, B2, got it. B2. Boom, look at that. Okay, and once again, we'll drag that all the way down. Okay, so let's say I got 10 new subscribers there. So there's the difference. There's the new one. I only got 4 this week. Rough day. I got 11. Yay! All right, so you can see how it's updating these numbers, and then these will change with it. All right, so that's one example. Here's another example. So say I've got my height and my weight of some people, and I want to figure out the body mass index, BMI. So I take that divided by that. Let me ask ChatGPT because I didn't do this yet. Say I have the height in column A, oops, the weight in column B, and want to find the BMI in column C. Calculate the body mass index. All these things. Okay, so it's calculated weight divided by height. So now we want this to equal that. All right, let's go. Okay, so copy there. Let's wait to do height in inches. Oh, that's pounds. Okay, cool. So this is kilograms. There we go. And then once again, we're changing this to 2 because it is. All right. Sweet. So that's how you do those two formulas. Then let's say we want to get the average of the BMIs. What if I want the average of the BMIs? All right, so the average function did that. All right, there we go. This is it right here. So just copy, Control C, paste, Control V, and we're going to do that through C2 through C5. Boom. So there's your averages right there. Those are some simple things. You can ask it anything you want. You need subtraction, whatever. Just ask it, and you're good to go. All right. We'll catch you next time. Thanks.